Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to verify your KuCoin wallet. This essential step boosts your account's security and significantly increases your daily withdrawal limits, often from 200,000 USD to 1 million USD. It also ensures you comply with global financial regulations, making your trading experience safer and more robust. To begin, gather your essential documents. You will need one valid government-issued identification, such as a passport, national identification card, or driver's license. Additionally, prepare a recent proof of address, like a utility bill or bank statement issued within the last 3 months. Make sure all details on these documents are clear and match your registration information exactly. First, log into your KuCoin account and find the Identity Verification, or KIC section, usually under your profile settings. Carefully enter your personal information, ensuring it precisely matches your documents. Next, upload clear, high-resolution images of your identification and proof of address. Finally, complete the quick facial recognition or liveness check to confirm your identity. For a smooth process, always double-check that all information you provide is accurate and consistent with your documents. Ensure your photos are well-lit, in focus, and show all 4 corners of the document. After submission, the review usually takes between 24 and 48 hours. You will receive an email notification once your KuCoin wallet verification is successfully completed, unlocking full account features.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.